Yeah, so I wonder how the mic sounds. So I have my little brother coming with me today. We're gonna go to this little spot around the corner from us and see how we get on. The weather's quite nice today, so get out for a little spin. Haven't been out for a couple of days. It's quite packed today. Busy today. Hey buddy, how are you? That looks good. Yeah, looks really good. The stickers, so we added the stickers onto the Teleria, and it looks so good, so much different. It looks much better than the black. What do you think of that bike?
I like it better.
Do you like this? Yeah. So Reese likes this bike better than this bike.
Yeah.
So oh look guys, loads of new tracks. Look, they're making all tracks. Yeah, they're after making it, look. Whoa! Hi guys, how we doing? Ah, fair play guys, great job. I hope you don't mind us being if you ever need a hand, because we're just let us know, we'll give you a hand. Tracks all being made in here, which is quite cool. So stoked about that guys, honestly. Yeah, look, this is all scraped out. That is nice. Gonna give it a good rip today, guys. Reese is kind of behind. Oh, look. That's all new. That is so cool. Woo! Big improvements on this track, guys. It definitely get me excited. Yeah, guys, another thing is I actually ordered Stark Varg, so I'm trading in my Honda CRF 250 and paying the balance. So really looking forward to seeing what this Stark Varg is going to be like. I got the 80 horsepower version, so I said there was an option between a 60 and 80 horsepower. There's €1,000 in the difference between them two options. Yeah, oh sorry, yeah.
The jump's nice today.
There you go. So Reese is hitting some good jumps. Cool, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so as I was saying, I ordered the Stark Varg just to see what it's like, you know, see what the hype is about. And guys, I'm loving the electric bikes, you know, because there's no noise. It's, well, there is noise, but very little noise compared to gas bikes. Yeah, so very little noise. That's what I love, because the minute people hear noise, it's just, they do not like it at all, and they always look for a problem, you know, to give out about. Absolutely epic, guys. Really, really cool. Look at that, so nice and smooth. Let's see how this jump goes, guys. Whoa! Sorry, buddy. Whoa. Actually never really done this jump here. Must do that, hold on. Let's turn this around. Give it a welly. Well done. Over to this area. I have it attached to my Sur Ron, so we're gonna bring it over to this part. I think this will be much better. Nice and mucky, huh? Over there. It's like full of muck. What is it? I know, yeah. Won't be dry till next summer. That's why I said I'll just bring this here. Let's try this. Cool. We call this the enduro section. Whoa, that was a close one. That part always gets me. Okay, where's Reese gone? There you are! Huh? Was I? So that's our little enduro section. Do you like it? Go on, Reese. Whoa. There's another little section in here. Ah! Nice! Bit of air there. Oh, deadly. Go again. No. Oh. That's funny. Go again. No. That's funny. Let's see Reese do it. Oh. Oh, off balance there. When the Stark arrives, I'll have to give the Stark a bit of a shot on these trails. Nothing mad, but this would be good to get a feel for the bike, you know, before bringing it to a track. Guys, I have to say I'm stoked. I cannot wait to get the Stark, you know. It's supposed to be, oh, nearly went into each other. Yeah, it's supposed to be an amazing bike, you know, all round. Just if you want to use it for enduro, motocross, anything, you know. I got the 19-inch wheels, so, or the 19-inch rear wheels, so I'll be using it for motocross. But might do some, if I can find some good woods, I might do some, you know, some trail riding or some enduro, you know. I've never really done enduro, like hard enduro. Well, not really hard, I wouldn't do hard enduro. That's like, you have to be really, really good to do hard enduro. But you know, I'm actually psyched just to see exactly what the bike is about. I think it's going to be quite fun. This little area here is quite cool. It's just around here. Yeah, so guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Drop a like, share, comment, subscribe, of course.